Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani. Today I'm going to be retwisting and styling my hair in 2-strand twists. My hair is super thick after I wash it. I don't even be realizing I have this much hair until it is washed. I like to section my hair before I retwist it because it just helps me keep everything organized as I'm retwisting so I don't get overwhelmed. I am only retwisting my hair with water just because my scalp gets flaky, so I try not to use too many products and oils when I don't need to. And as you can see, my locks definitely start to marry at the roots, so I always have to go in and part it, but you'll see throughout the video I don't have to do it a lot because my parts pretty much maintain themselves, but sometimes they can just kind of get intertwined with other pieces of hair. Now once I get my part how I want it to be, then I just start to comb the root of the lock. Now when it's time for me to retwist, I always twirl the lock a little bit first, and then I press my palms together on the outside of the lock and I start to roll the lock, and I roll it to where my right hand is coming up and my left hand is always coming down, and then I keep twirling it a little bit more, as you can see. So if you didn't catch that the first time, don't worry, because I'm going to keep repeating this all over my head. So you will keep seeing me do the same thing over and over again, and I'm going to slow it down a little bit.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
Okay, so now that both sides are retwisted, I'm going to start to take the clips out on the first side, and I'm going to show you how I keep my retwist so long. So many people ask me how my retwist stays, and it's because I don't just retwist my hair and keep it loose. I always do a style, and my style of choice is typically 2-strand twists.
Let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I need you, baby. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say okay. It's okay. Oh, pretty baby.
When I get to the end, I just wrap the longest piece around itself, and then I secure it with a rubber band.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love that's right. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I need you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To all the lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say it's okay. Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you. Oh, baby, let me love you. Oh, baby. Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found.
Alright, so this is the finished look. I love 2-strand twists because I can keep them for about 4 weeks, and when I take them down, my locks are going to be super curly. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like it was helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up down below and leave me a brown heart in the comments. I'm going to leave my lock playlist down below so that you can watch more videos if you need some more style ideas, tips, or just some guidance on your lock journey, and I'll see you in my next video.